Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is exercise 2.4 of your chapter number 2 polynomial. So the question 1 is on your screen. I am reading it. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? This is the question. Now we do not know the number what Amina think about it. So, dear student, let's start. Let that number be. Let that number we are considering that is x. Okay, the number thought by Amina is x. Now let's try to form a linear equation. What we are given in the beginning? Amina think of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. The number is x and 5 by 2 is subtracted from that number. Clear to you? X minus 5 by 2. She multiplies the result by 8. This result is multiplied by 8. So 8 into this. It gives the result. Now the number which we are obtaining is a 3 times the original number. 3 times the original number, it means 3x. So dear student, this is a linear equation. The number is 3 times of the original number x. So it is 3x. Now it depends on us how we are going to simplify. So first of all, I would like to tell you we are going to go with this procedure multiplying individually this. 8 into x, 8x, 8 by 3 divided by 2 equal to 3x. Once again, look at your screen. 8 into 8, x, 8x minus 8 by 40 and 2 is already in denominator equal to 3x. Therefore, 8x minus 40 when divided by 2 gives the result 20. You know, 20 is a half of 20 is a double of 40. Now, I am bringing this 3x to left side, so it will become minus 3x, and this minus 20 to right side plus 20. So after transposing, we need to change the sign. What about 8x minus 3x? It gives the result 5x. 5x equal to 20. Therefore, x equal to 20 divided by 5. Therefore, x equal to 4. So, my dear student, the value of x is 4. Therefore, this is the question. We need to write the number. Which number Amina thought about? What is the number? Therefore, we need to mention that number is 4. So Amina thought the number and that number is 4. This is the complete solution of question number 1. So student, here I am explaining again what is the number thought by Amina is x and she is subtracting 5 by 2 from that number. So x minus 5 by 2, and after that she is multiplying the result. This is the result, she is multiplying it with 8. And after that we are gaining the result which is the 3 times of the original number, so it is 3x. So 8 into x, 8x minus 8 5 40 divided by 2 equal to 3x. We know that 40 divided by 2 gives the result 20. So this time I am bringing this 3x to left side, so it is minus 3x, and minus 20 I am transposing to right side, so it is become plus 20. 8x minus 3x subtraction is 5x equal to 20. So x equal to 20 divided by 5. So it gives the result 4 5 20. So the value of x that is equal to 4. So my dear student, that number is 4. Okay. So question number 2 is on your screen, dear student. Let me read it. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, the one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? Okay, the two numbers we have to find. So for one number we will consider, let that number be x. So let that number be x. We have written first line. Now the positive number is 5 times the another number. It means that other number. Therefore, other number is 5 times that number, so it is 5x. Okay, dear students. Now, if we add 21 in both of the numbers, this side it is 5x, this is x. Okay, so if I am adding 21 to both of these numbers, this side also 21 I am adding, this side also I am adding 21. Then what will be the result? The resulting number is, we are given here one of the new number. This is the new number. It becomes the twice the another number. Okay, so this is a solution. Remember, if we add 21 to both of these sides, so we are gaining 5x plus 21. At this side x plus 21, and the new number which we are gaining is double than this new number. This is the equation. Now let's simplify it. Okay, so as usual 5x I am writing here plus 21. 2 into x, multiplication of this is 2x plus 2 into 21 gives the result 42. 21 to 40. Now how to simplify, you know very well. This 2x I am bringing to left side, and this 21 I am transposing to right side, so it will become minus 21. So my dear friend, 5x minus 2x gives the result 3x, that is equal to 21. Therefore, x equal to 21 divided by 3. Therefore, the value of x we know, when we simplify we will get 7. So that number is 7. Okay. Therefore, this number is 7. But what was the another number? It was 5 times the previous number. So it is 5x. It was considered as a 5x. So 5 into 7. In place of x, I am substituting the value 7 here. So another number will be 35. So the question we are asked to find what are the numbers. So we need to mention the final answer. Those numbers are. Therefore, those numbers are, which are they? One of them is 7 and this is the complete solution of question number. So here we are going to do very important question of this exercise, and it is new concept for you. So dear student, please try to understand it twice. The question I am reading, question number 3 is on your screen. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Right? So dear student, this number is of 2 digits, okay? And their sum is 9 we are given. So we need to mention here in the solution first that the number is of 2 digits. The number is of 2 digits. Right? If the number is of 2 digits, then let's consider. We are having two options. So here I am choosing. Let the digit on the unit place be. Let the digit on the unit place be. Unit place or a one place word you can use. Unit place. We are considering. the digit on the unit place or a ones place. Unit place is indicate, ones place Vx. Okay. Now we are given sum of the number is 9. Sum of the two digits. Sum of the two digits equal to 9. Therefore, other digit, not other number, therefore other digit. It means other digit indicate that digit on a tens place. What will be the digit on a tens place? It will be as 9 minus 10. This is very important concept. I am explaining again. Look at your screen, dear student. As suppose you are having the number 9. If I ask you to make a parts of 9, you will say 4 5, 5 4, 7 2, 2 7, 6 2, 2 6, 1 8, 8 1, 0 9, 9 0, like that so on. So dear student, if you are choosing 1, then how you are gaining that other is 8? Of course, you are subtracting 1 from 9, right? The same procedure in place of 1, we are not knowing any one of the digits. So, for a ones place or a unit place digit, we are considering as unknown variable x. If it is x, then the sum of the two digits already we are given, that is 9. So, what will be the digit on tens place? It must be 9 minus 10. Clear to you? So let's write it in a tabular form to make our work easy. So it makes our work easy and we will get this with original number. There are two digit number. So I am considering this is as a unit place. Sometimes you can mention O as a ones place and this is tens place. Right? So as we have considered unit place digit is x, so here it will be x. What is the tens place digit here? It is 9 minus x, so I need to mention here it is 9 minus x. Okay. See here student, how to work out on the original number. So we need to mention here original number equal to. What will be the original number? So original number it will be. So dear student, here as we know that the original number in that tens place digit must be multiplied by 10. So it will be 10 into 9 minus 10. And what about this? It will be multiplied with 1. Because ones place or a unit place digit will be multiplied by 1 and tens place digit we are multiplying by 10. So let's simplify. 10 9 90, 10 into x, 10x plus x in x1 x. Okay. So it's a simplification. I am writing it here. Please note down this here I am mentioning. So the original number is 90 minus 9x. Just please keep this in mind. Minus 10x plus x is the result minus 9x. And this is 90 is already there. So that will become 90 minus 9x. Clear to you up to here? So this is very important point. Dear student, I am explaining again for once again. Look at your screen. Here two number, out of them one digit. Not two number, the two digits. Out of them, the unit place digit is x, and ones place, that is unit place digit is we are considering x, and ones place digit, that is x, and tens place digit we are considering as 9 minus x. Okay. So dear student, here 9 minus x, this is tens place digit, so it will be multiplied by 10. So here we are having 10 into 9 minus x, and this is plus 1 into x. Okay, so let's simplify. 10 9 to 19 minus 10x. So 10 into x, 10x. And this is x into 1, that is x. Okay, so here the number, original number will become 19 minus 10x plus x is the result minus 0. So dear student, this is the 90 minus 9x is the right? Let's work out further. After interchanging the digits, what is the question? After interchanging the digits, okay? After interchanging the digit, it means what it indicates? The tens place digit and unit place digit we are changing. Okay. So what we have considered for the tens place digit, you know very well. We have considered x for the ones place, means that is unit place digit. So this time this will become tens place digit and this will become unit place digit. Unit place digit will become one tens place digit and tens place digit will become unit place digit. Clear to you? So dear student, the new number, the newly formed number means new number which we will have here after interchanging the digit. This is very important point. So here this was x plus here 9 minus. So dear student, this will be multiplied with 10. Because we know this is 10 space digit and as it is 1 space, so it is multiplied by 1. So after multiplication, so dear student, let's see the solution here. 1 into 9, that is 9 minus x. Because we are multiplying with 1, so it remains 10. 10x minus x is the result 9x. So this is our newly formed the number. Now in the question we are given that this newly formed the number. Newly formed the number after interchanging the digit. It is 27 more than the original number. What was our original number? It was 19 minus 9. Right? It was 19 minus 9x. That is 27 more than x. Original number 9x plus 9x plus 9, and our original number was. So let's simplify. This 9x minus 9x I am bringing to this side plus 9x. This 90 is here, this 27 is positive, this plus 9 I am bringing to this side minus 9x plus 9x is 18x. Now dear student, the subtraction of this 117 minus 9. It is coming 108. Let's simplify the next step. So the next step immediately after this 18x equal to subtraction of 9 from 117 gives the result 108. And this 18 will come as a divisor. So 108 divide by 18. So dear student, the simplification of this is coming 6 because we know 18 6 are 108. So the value of x is coming 6. Okay. This is the value of x we got on. So the question here asks what is the number, means original number. So what was our original number we have found? So the original number we have found, it was 19 minus 9. Right? In that, in place of x, we need to mention here the number that is 6. I am mentioning here it is 6. So dear student, 90 minus 54. No, minus 54 is the result 30. Therefore, the original number is 30. This is our required result, which we are going to mention here in the sentence. Therefore, the original number is. Therefore, the original number we have. We are given. So, my dear student, here one more important question of exercise 2.4, that is question number 4 on your screen. What is the question? One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? Right? Let's try to understand what we are given in the beginning. As you know that here the number is of two digit. Okay. So we are first, suppose we are thinking that let the digit on unit place be x. We are considering the digit on a unit place, that is we are considering x. Okay. So what about the digit on tens place? So dear student, the digit on tens place. So the digit on a tens place. How to find it? We are given in the first line, that is it is a 3 times. Clearly it is written the number is 3 times the other digit. It means that this is x. So what will be? It's a 3 times, so it will be 3x. Fine. So let's try to note down this in a tabular form so that it will be easy for us to understand the given detail and classify them easily. Okay. So as here two digit number. So as usual, you know the unit place digit that sometimes that we call ones place also. Okay. So you can mention it here unit place or a ones place, it depends on you. So here I am mentioning unit place and this is tens place. Okay. Now dear student, what we have assumed for particular, for the unit place digit we have assumed x. So I am mentioning this is x. Clear? What about tens place digit? That is 3x. So I am mentioning this is 3x. Now how to find the original number? So we can say that the original number. Okay. What will be the original number? Now look at your screen, dear student. Just think about this tens place digit as I taught you in the previous question also. This number, whatever the number on the tens place will be multiplied by 10. Here, so this will be multiplied by 10 and of course this number will be multiplied by 1. Unit place number will be multiplied by 1. Here it is by 10 and this is by 1. So dear student, 3 tens are 30x plus 1 extra x. So sum of this is giving 31x. The sum is 31x. So what is the original number? Therefore we can say that the original number is 31x. Clear to you? This is one of the important result. Original number we are gaining 31x. Okay. Now we are given after interchanging the digit. Interchanging the digit, it means what we are going to do? After interchanging the digit, so unit place digit will become the tens place digit and tens place digit will become the unit place digit. So let's work out upon that and try to find the new number. We are given the condition now. Okay, what is the condition? After interchanging the number, interchanging the digit, interchanging the digits. What is the meaning of interchanging the digits? It indicates that the digit on a ones place will become tens place. So dear student, here this will become for 3x, unit place digit will become 3x and tens place digit will become x. Fine. So let's find a new number formed with that after interchanging the digit. So we need to mention new number now. As usual, you know dear student, we need to multiply the tens place digit with 10. So 10 into x, and ones place digit will be multiplied by 1. Fine. Once again, see on your screen. Here tens place digit will be multiplied by 10 and unit place digit will be multiplied by 1. So 10 into x gives the result 10x plus 1 into 3x. The product of these two gives the result 3x. 1 into 3x is 3x. What is the sum of this? 10x plus 3x, it is 13x. So my dear student, the new number forming after interchanging the digit, that is 13x. Okay. Now using this original number and new number, these detail, let's try to form a linear equation first. So my dear student, what was original number? Let's note down. Our original number was 33x. Okay. And what was resulting number? The resulting number means new number which we have formed, that is 11x, right? 33x it was, and this was resulting number which we have found, that is what it was. Okay. Yes, friend, here little bit changes I am doing. Original number is 31x. Okay. Here it is, as we already found, that was 31x, and resulting number, that was new number which we have found, was 13x. So please do this correction. This is 31x and this is 13x. Okay. Now let's try to form an equation. What is the equation? According to that, we are given add both the numbers. Okay, add the numbers means 31x will be added into resulting number. The sum of this is coming 88. What we are given, that is the sum of this is coming 88. So this is a linear equation. Okay, this is a linear equation. Let's try to solve here. As we know that 31 plus 13, here xx, they are already in like term. So the sum of this is coming 44x equal to 88. Therefore, x equal to 88 divided by 44. Therefore, the value of x, when we simplify, then the value of x will be 2. X equal to 2. Now what we are asked to find in the question, we need to find original number. So let me note down original number. Yes. Original number. As we already found, the original number is 31x. So my dear student, here in place of x, I am going to put the value 2. Okay. So what is the double of 31? You know, 31 2 is 62. So what is the original number? It will be 62, which is a required result. Therefore, you can mention the original number is 60. This is the complete solution of question number 4. Now, dear student, the question 5 is on your screen. The question is, Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? So, dear student, here we do not know the Shobo's mother's present age, and even we do not know Shobo's present age. Okay, 2 persons are there. So, dear student, in solution, what we are going to do? Let's assume, let Shobo's present age be. Let Shobo's present age, we are considering, that is x years. This y for years. Okay, this is x years I am considering. Here y in a small letter I have written, that is for years. and his mother's present age. His mother's present age. What should we go with? What should we consider for that? Here we are given it is 6 times Shobo's present age. 6 times of present age of Shobo, so it will become 6x years. Agree? So Shobo's present age will be x years. Here, this is x years, and mother's present age it is 6x years. Clear to you? Yes, yes. Okay, in present tense. Now, Shobo's age 5 years from now. Now, 5 years from now. Let's note down. 5 years from now. What it indicates? 5 years from now, it indicates in future. In future means after 5 years. What will be Shobo's age after 5 years? So we need to write Shobo's age will be x plus 5 years. Why? Because the present age is x years. Present age of Shobo is x years after 5 years. Here clearly written after 5 years means in future. The 5 years will be added to its present age. So at that time after 5 years Shobo's age will be x plus 5 years. Okay. Now let's try to form an equation. According to the given detail, Shobo's age 5 years from now, Shobo's age 5 years, Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What is the mother's age? Present age is 6x years. Agree? Mother's present age 6x years, and it will be 1/3 of Shobo's age. Okay, what is the equation? 6x equal to 1/3 of Shobo's. It is clearly written Shobo's age 5 years from now. This will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. Okay, so I am little bit changes I am doing. 1/3 of mother's present age. It will indicate that 1/3 into this. Please do the correction here little bit according to the question. The question is Shobo's after 5 years the age will be Shobo's. It will be 1/3 of mother's age. Clear to you? So my dear student, this is very important result. So I am putting it. This is our actually real equation. Okay? Now it depends on us how we are simplifying. As we know 6 will be cancelled with that. So it will be 2x equal to x plus 1. Therefore, this x I am bringing to left side, so it will be minus x, so it will be 5. 2x minus x is x equal to here. So the value of x equal to 5. Now what we are asked, what are their present ages? Means both of their ages. Okay. So dear student, let's note down Shobo's age will be. Shobo's present age. We need to mention the present word also. Shobo's present age. What it will be? It will be x, that is equal to 5 years. Agree? That will be equal to 5 years. What about mother's present age? Here only I am solving it and I am mentioning it here. Just look at your screen. As we have found the present age of Shobo. Shobo's present age is coming 5 years. Fine. Now, what about mother's present age? It is 6x. So, let me note down here mother's present age. Mother's present age. What is that? That is 6x. Agree? What about 6 into 5? That is 6 into 5. 6 5 ja 30 years. So, my dear student, mother's present age, it will be 30 years. Here is the solution. Shobo's present age will be 5 years and mother's present age will be 30 years. This is the solution of question number